Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. It is me ND10 and today I'll be discussing about a very sensitive topic which has created a lot of controversy in the footballing world in this year. It is if Messi robbed Lewandowski or not for the Ballon d'Or, of course. If you are on any of the social media platforms, be it Instagram or Twitter, you must have seen someone commenting or tweeting that Messi robbed Lewandowski. Many people are also commenting or tweeting that Messi didn't. Every person has their own opinion. But did Messi rob Lewandowski or did he deserve it? Well, it can be either of the both. So today I'll be telling you my personal opinion on whole of this. Let's begin. Okay, so did Lewandowski get robbed of the Ballon d'Or? Yes, in my opinion, he did get robbed of the Ballon d'Or. But did Messi rob him off? No, Messi didn't rob him off. Messi and Lewandowski, in my opinion, deserved it equally. If Lewandowski had won it, I wouldn't have any problems. Same is the thing right now. I don't have any problems with Messi winning the Ballon d'Or because Messi and Lewandowski both equally deserved it. But we need to take a look at something before talking about the entire thing. Okay, guys, look at this. These are the trophies won by Robert Lewandowski in 2020. In 2020, we must remember that the Ballon d'Or was given for the year 2021. In 2020, he deserved it, no doubt, absolutely no doubt. Lewandowski deserved to win the Ballon d'Or in 2020. He had the trophies, he had the goals, he won the Champions League, which is the biggest honor in European football. So yeah, he deserved it 100% in 2020. But in 2021, he managed to win only two trophies, that is the Bundesliga and the Club World Cup. And the same thing was with Messi. He also managed to win two Ballon. He also managed to win two trophies. What am I saying? I'm saying two Ballon d'Ors. Well, anyway, he managed to win two trophies in 2021. It is the Copa America and the Copa del Rey. And in both of the tournaments, he was the best player. He was awarded the best player of the tournament for both of them, and deservedly so. He put a masterclass against Athletic Bilbao in the Copa del Rey final and helped Barcelona win a trophy, the only trophy they won last season. Well, the only trophy that Barcelona won last season, a dead Barcelona team. We are seeing that they are absolutely dead without Lionel Messi. So yeah, it was quite a big task to do. And also Messi won the Copa America, being the top scorer and the top assister of the tournament, and also was named the MVP of the tournament, and deservedly so. Well, I agree that he didn't perform all that well against Brazil in the final, but anyways, he helped Argentina to the final. Okay, so Messi and Lewandowski both won equal amount of trophies, but Messi had the slight edge over Lewandowski because the Club World Cup, it is not one of the most prestigious trophies. The Copa America, it is. Well, Bundesliga is the league and it is the most prestigious, and it is not the most prestigious after Champions League. It is, along with La Liga and Premier League and all that. After that, it is the league title, I believe, and then if we are talking about the international tournaments, it is the Copa America, it is the World Cup. After that, it is the Copa America and the Euros. The France football takes both of them into account. So yeah, Messi had that edge over Lewandowski because the Club World Cup isn't as prestigious as the Copa America. So yeah, that's one of the reasons Messi won the Ballon d'Or. He had that slight edge. I know he has had a poor start to the season, but still, he has done well enough. He has scored over 40 goals. He has assisted over 20 goals, and also has won two trophies. So yeah, he deserved it. He absolutely deserved it in my opinion. But also, I mentioned that Robert Lewandowski did get robbed. And who robbed him? Let's find out. Well, it's the France Football Federation that robbed Lewandowski. They cancelled the Ballon d'Or 2020 for absolutely no reason. Well, the Liga was cancelled in 2020 because of the COVID pandemic. We all know about that. And the France Football Federation thought that every single country will be cancelling their league. So yeah, they cancelled the Ballon d'Or. It was cancelled for absolutely no reason. The the UEFA award ceremony was held, for which Lewandowski won the best player. Of course, the FIFA the best award ceremony was held, for which he won the best player award. And also the Globe Soccer Award, or the Dubai d'Or, was also held last season. But the Ballon d'Or was not held for no reason at all. Yeah, so France football clearly robbed Lewandowski that year. In 2020, Robert Lewandowski got robbed, not in 2021. Lewandowski and Messi equally deserved it. But yeah, in 2020, Lewandowski did get robbed by France football. Alright, so now that is done, that Messi didn't rob Lewandowski, I also want to talk about one more thing. And the other thing I want to talk about is Patrice Evra. Like, yeah, Patrice Evra, the next day Messi won the Ballon d'Or. He mockingly called Ballon d'Or the Balloon d'Or, that they did some sort of a scandal on Lewandowski for not winning the Ballon d'Or. Well, he addressed many other things. Many of them were correct. I agree with him on many things. Yeah, I agree with Patrice Evra on many things, but him calling Messi the undeserved candidate just makes me laugh. Like, yeah, he was clearly butthurt of the fact that Messi beat him in 3 Champions League finals, and he definitely doesn't like Messi for that. Like, we can see in this picture that you are seeing right now that a 19-year-old Messi is humiliating him. So, yeah, he clearly doesn't like Messi. Patrice Evra clearly doesn't like him. And also in that whole 7-minute video, I guess it was, he said that many people that who were mocking him for saying the same thing, that he got beaten by Messi in 3 Champions League finals, he said that show the club some respect. Of course, you need to show the club some respect. It is very important in football. The respect, it is very important. Yeah, he said that show FC Barcelona some respect. He said that I lost to FC Barcelona 3 times, not to Lionel Messi. Well, where is the respect, Mr. Evra? You said I lost to FC Barcelona 3 times. Well, you didn't lose to FC Barcelona. You Manchester United and Juventus lost to FC Barcelona 3 Champions League finals by your logic. You are saying that I lost to 3 Champions League finals. But where is the respect for your own clubs? Come on, like, yeah, stop being so jealous and butthurt of Messi. Like, we know you don't like him. Just admit it. And also, a few months ago, you were saying that you would give the Ballon d'Or to either to Kante or to Jorginho. But in all of a sudden, the next day after the Ballon d'Or was given to Messi, you said that Lewandowski deserved to win it. Well, what shall we make out of that, Mr. Evra? Would you like to tell? We will be glad to know, honestly. And those guys who will be commenting in the comment section, I don't know if they'll comment, but if they do about, like, you know, those 5-year-old jokes like source, trust me bro, those Twitter boys, well, I have got you covered. Just a second. Okay, so this is the source right in front of you. This is what Patrice Evra said. In my opinion, this Ballon d'Or is for Kante or Jorginho. I am sick of giving it to Messi. Of course you will be. You lost 3 Champions League finals to him. You hate him. We know that. And what did he win last year? The Copa America. With Barcelona, what did he do? With Barcelona, what did he not do last year? Like, come on. In December, Barcelona were 11th or 13th in the league. And they made a massive comeback in the second half of the season, where they finished 3rd. And yeah, thanks to Messi, definitely thanks to Messi, because Messi was the top scorer and the top assister of the club. He's still the top scorer and top assister of the club in 2021, and he last played a game with them in July. Well, July is also too late. He last played a game with them in probably in June or even May. I don't exactly remember. And you are saying, what did he do with Barcelona? Well, you can see what did he do with Barcelona. He literally made a dead club challenge for the title, the league title. You can see that they finished 3rd and they were in the title race until a certain moment, until Barcelona bottled, of course. Well, you can see what did he do with the club. And also he won the Copa del Rey, where he was the MVP. And you are saying, what did he do for Barcelona? Like, Messi has left and Barcelona are in the Europa League. Like, what more do you want a man to do? Yeah, what did he do for Barcelona? Come on, man. Like, you're just being salty at this point. So yeah, that is all I had to say in this video. that Messi deserved the Ballon d'Or, so did Lewandowski. Both were on an equal in terms of individual performances. Well, maybe Lewandowski was better individually because he scored more goals, he had more goal contributions, but for scoring most goals you already have an award that is called the Golden Boot. So yeah, you can't be putting it into an argument that he scored the most goals, so yeah, he deserves the Ballon d'Or. Yeah, we already have a Golden Boot for the most goals award, but yeah, still he deserved the Ballon d'Or. I'll give it to him, definitely 100% he deserved it. And yeah, if you want to bring the goals argument into the debate that whether he deserved it, whether Messi deserved it or not, well then why did Luka Modric win in 2019? He is a midfielder. He didn't score the most goals. Messi scored the most goals in 2018. In fact, he finished 5th. Well, Messi didn't complain. But so is Lewandowski. Lewandowski is also not complaining. He has accepted the fact that Messi deserved the Ballon d'Or. He has said it publicly that Messi deserved it. And yeah, we all know about it. So yeah, it's the Real Madrid fans and the Ronaldo fans mostly who are pissed about the fact that Messi has won his 7th Ballon d'Or, whereas Messi doesn't even care if he won or not. Let's be real, because yeah, we never saw Messi talking about it, of course. Whereas Ronaldo has clearly said in a clip that he wants to win more than Messi. So yeah, you guys can keep crying. Like that's all I'll say to you. You guys can keep crying. Yeah, the real, or let me just say the rational Madrid fans or the Ronaldo fans will see why did Messi deserve the Ballon d'Or. Many rational fans will agree. There are all types of fans in every community. Yeah, in Real Madrid also there are many good fans. There are many toxic fans. So is the case with Barcelona. Every single club has a toxic fan base. But yeah, the rational ones can see that Messi deserved it. Well, so yeah, that's all I had to say on this topic, if Messi deserved it or not. So that is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, drop a like on the video. It really gets me going with the motivation thing, And if you're new around here, subscribe to the channel. Let's get to 200 subscribers as soon as possible. And I'll see you guys in a bit. Hopefully I will. I'm out. Peace.